So the fourth problem says that we have to fit a straight line in the least square sense. That means least square method only we are using. So where we are having y is equal to ax plus b. So where we are having y as what, the dependent variable, x as the independent variable. Then we are having the sitting alone person, which is nothing but b. So the constant value will be the intercept, and we are having x beside x, who is sitting a. So whoever is sitting beside x, it will be the slope. So data is given. Let us dive into the first step, which is step number 1. So what we need to do, we need to just form the table. So it is already given over here. So what is the table formation is quite important. 4 columns will be there for the straight line equation. So we are having the data, how many terms it is given, values it is given. So x and y corresponding values, 4 terms, 4 values. So n will be equal to 4. Okay. Now the two columns x and y just copy paste. Third column will be the product of first and second column x and y, whatever the variables are given. The fourth column we have to take the x square. That means whatever the first column is there, take the square corresponding values. So just multiply these two, you'll be getting the third column. So I am going to write 50 into 12 is 600. So it will be 1050, 2100, 25 into 12, 300, one more zero. And for x square, just to take the first column, square it up. So it will be 25 double zero, 7 is 49, so double zero, 10 is 100 and again double zero, 12 is 144 and again double zero. Okay. So what will be the second step? Before that, we need to just add it up. That means for the each column, we have to sum it up. So what is the summation of x? Add it up: 50, 70, 100 and 120. So it will be 340. Summation of y, it is equal to 73. Summation of xy, which is equal to 6750, and summation of x square, which is equal to 31800. So why we are writing this? Because we need to substitute in the normal equation of the straight line. So step number 2 becomes that we have to write the normal equation. So as we know, the normal equation y is equal to ax plus b, what it will become? Very simple. Summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus n times b. This is the first equation. Second equation, summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Now we already have all the values, and as we know, number of terms, number of values, number of pairs, we are having 4 only, x comma y. So now we have to just substitute. Summation of y, it is 73, right? 73 equal to a will remain as it is, there is no disturbance to that, and summation of x will become what, 340 to 340a plus nb, that means it will be 4b. Then we are having summation of xy, it will be 73, and okay, summation of xy, it is 6750, right, equal to a into summation of x square, it is 31800, and a will come over here plus 340b, right? Now this is the first equation and this is the second equation. As we know, we have to solve the first and second equation. That becomes the step number 3. Solve the two equations, equation 1 and 2, and get the value of a and b. How to solve? We have already studied linear equation in two variables. You can use many methods. I'll go with the substitution method. So taking up the first equation, which we are having 73 equal to 340a plus 4b. From this, I'm going to keep b aside. That means on the one side, other things on the other side. So this will go there. So what will happen? So b is equal to, so b equal to 73 minus 340a divided by 4, right? So very simple. B we have found out. Now this b we need to substitute in the second equation. So substituting in the second equation, 6750 equal to 31800A plus 340B. So instead of B, I'm going to write 73 minus 340A divided by 4, right? So this we need to cancel it up, right? Ones are, and it becomes what, 85, because 8s are 32 and 20 it 5s are. Okay, so now we have to just multiply this and this. So 85 into 73 you have to do, and 85 into 340 a we need to do. So it becomes 6750 equal to 31800A plus 85 into 73. So it will become how much? 6205 minus 340A, it will become 28900A. Okay, now these two values, if you see, you have to just subtract. So what it will become? So 6750 equal to 31800A equal to what will become? 2900A plus 62505, right? So this two you can subtract, so you will be getting the A value as how much? 545 divided by 2900. So this value will be equal to 0.1879. In the calculator I'll be getting, so approximately you can write it as 0.19. So this is the A value. Now I need to substitute back into the B in order to get the B value, right? So the B value becomes what? B is equal to 73 minus 340A divided by how much? It will be 4. That is equal to 73 minus 340 into 0.19 divided by 4. So calculating this, you will be getting 2.28 approximately. So this is the equation we are getting. So you can write the final thing. Y is equal to ax plus b, we know. So that is equal to, that implies y is equal to what? A value 0.19 into x plus b value is 2.28.